Hey there, garden lovers! Have you ever wondered which plants can quickly transform your garden into a blooming paradise, even in the heat of July? Well, you're in luck! Today, we're diving into the world of fast-growing perennials that thrive in the summer sun. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get growing. Perennials are the backbone of any garden. They come back year after year, often stronger and more beautiful than before. And the best part? Some of them grow super fast, giving your garden an instant boost of color and life. Let's kick things off with one of my personal favorites, the black-eyed Susan. These sunny yellow flowers with their dark centers are like little bursts of sunshine. They start blooming in early summer and keep going strong well into fall. Plus, they're tough as nails and super easy to grow. Just give them a sunny spot and watch them thrive. Black-eyed Susans grow fast and can reach up to 3 feet tall in no time. They're perfect for adding height and vibrant color to your garden beds. Next up, we have the ever-popular Daylilies. These beauties are famous for their stunning, trumpet-shaped flowers that come in almost every color imaginable. And the best part! They multiply quickly, filling up your garden with their dazzling blooms. Daylilies are perfect for those of us who want a low-maintenance garden. They can handle heat, drought, and even a bit of neglect. Just plant them and let them do their thing. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more dramatic, consider adding some Russian sage to your garden. With its tall, wispy stems and lovely lavender blue flowers, this perennial adds a touch of elegance and movement. Russian sage loves the sun and can tolerate dry, poor soil, making it a fantastic choice for those hot July days. Last but not least, let's talk about Coreopsis. These cheerful, daisy-like flowers are like little rays of sunshine in your garden. They bloom all summer long and spread quickly, creating a carpet of bright, happy flowers. Coreopsis is perfect for filling in gaps in your garden beds or creating a colorful border. They're easy to grow and thrive in full sun. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these fast-growing perennials are sure to bring life and color to your garden in no time. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, plant some perennials, and watch your garden transform this July. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. And don't forget to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear about your favorite fast-growing perennials. Happy gardening!